Hi and welcome to my channel. It's time to do cycling and I have installed the rack on my car. This is my mountain bike, it's all ready to go. Since the start of October, the weather has started getting pleasant day by day. It is 36 Celsius and wind is blowing with 11 kilometers per hour. It took me a couple of minutes to put my cycle on this rack and it is all tied up. Here I am on the highway and I am heading towards one of the most beautiful cycling tracks in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. This track is around 25 kilometers away from my house, but it's worth it to go there because of several reasons. For example, it doesn't have so much traffic on regular days except weekends, hence it is very much safe. Number 2, it has big farms and those farms have fields inside. Therefore, the temperature over there is less by 5 to 6 Celsius comparing to the city center. Number 3, you will see the scenic beauty, beautiful desert, rock hills and palm trees all around. Last but not the least, there is also a playground, a public park, jogging track, barbecue area. So in case your family is going with you, they will not get bored till the time you are doing cycling. Hence, it's a perfect cycling track. Just to tell you that currently I am on Riyadh to Makkah road and if I keep going straight for about 900 kilometers, I'll reach the holy city of Makkah. Almost half of the distance has been covered and I have taken the exit from Riyadh to Makkah road. I have reached the cycling track and because it's a weekday, therefore it's not crowded at all. And here you can see beautiful trees on both sides of the track. Here I'll find a suitable place to park my car. My bike is safe on the rack and let me show you some glimpse of this track. Along with the trees, you will notice there is a track for walking, jogging or running. This track is also safe for kids if they want to do cycling over here. And in case you come here along with your family and children, let me show you the area where your family can sit by the time you are doing cycling. So all this covered area is for one family. And the beauty of Saudi Arabia that here, if your family is sitting, no one will bother you. You can just bring some chairs and carpets to sit over here. In the middle, it has a barbecue area. The place is very neat and clean. It also has access to washrooms which are just on a walking distance. They are very neat and clean as well. This sitting area is facing towards this open area where your children can play as well. Here I am ready to burn some calories. You may face some turbulence, so please fasten your seatbelts. Enjoy the scenic beauty of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. This is the public path that I was talking about. On my right side, you can see the food trucks. They will open in the evening. We are approaching towards an old dam and I'll stop there for a while. I'll park my bike here so that we can see the dam. At the moment it doesn't has any water reservoir, but I'm sure old times ago there used to be a water reservoir. Currently it is only used for storing rainwater if by chance there is a rain in Riyadh. Now I am on the way to go back. You will also observe that now there are more cars parked over here because more families arrived comparing to when we started the cycling. have reached my destination and I will park my bicycle over here. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Please let me know what was your experience. If you like this video, kindly hit like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.